Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you my most accurate pocket option strategy. A strategy that gave me 0 losses in today's session. No guessing, no over-trading, just clean setups and disciplined execution. The power of this strategy comes from combining momentum and market exhaustion. We're using 2 key tools, EMA 10 to read short-term momentum, RSI 5 to detect extreme overbought and oversold zones. Before we start trading, let me explain the core logic of this strategy so you understand exactly why it works. This method focuses on reading short-term momentum and identifying exhaustion points in the market. We use 2 highly effective tools, the EMA 10 to track immediate momentum and the RSI 5 to detect extreme overbought and oversold conditions. When the RSI moves into the oversold zone, while price is forming near or below the EMA 10, it tells us that selling pressure has reached an extreme and the market is preparing for a potential reversal. This becomes our ideal buy scenario. On the other hand, when the RSI pushes into the overbought zone, while price sits above the EMA 10, it signals that buyer momentum is weakening and the market is ready to shift downward, giving us a clean sell opportunity. The strength of this strategy comes from combining these 2 perspectives, momentum direction and market exhaustion. When both indicators align, we get high probability setups that are clear, objective, and extremely reliable. To make the explanation clearer, I'm going to demonstrate this strategy directly in my live trading session. I'm entering a BY position here based on the rules of our strategy. The RSI has clearly dropped into the oversold zone, which tells us that selling pressure has pushed the market too far and sellers are starting to lose momentum. At the same time, the price is positioned below the EMA 10, confirming that the downward move is overstretched and a potential reversal is forming. When these 2 conditions appear together, we have a high probability buy setup that aligns perfectly with the strategy. Let's see how this trade develops. Profit. Another clean and accurate entry. All right, let's open the market again and look for the next valid setup. I'm taking another buy position here. The RSI has once again entered the oversold zone, indicating that the market is experiencing strong selling exhaustion. At the same time, the price is currently moving below the EMA 10, showing that the downward push is losing strength and a bullish correction is likely to follow. This alignment gives us another solid buy signal that fits perfectly with our strategy. Let's see how this trade plays out. Profit. Another precise and clean result. Let's open the market again and look for the next valid setup. All right guys, I'm entering another buy position here. The RSI has dropped back into the oversold area, signaling that sellers have pushed the market down too aggressively and are starting to lose momentum. At the same time, the price is positioned below the EMA 10, indicating an overextension to the downside and a high chance of a reversal forming. This combination creates another strong buy setup fully aligned with our strategy. Let's see how this trade turns out. Profit, clean and accurate once again. Let's open the market again and continue searching for the next setup. I'm taking a sell position here. The RSI has moved into the overbought zone, which tells us that buyers have pushed the market upward too aggressively and the momentum is starting to fade. At the same time, the price is sitting above the EMA 10, showing that the upward move is overstretched and a bearish correction is likely to follow. This alignment gives us a clean and high probability sell setup according to our strategy. Let's see how this trade plays out. Profit. Another precise entry. Let's open the market again and look for the next valid setup. Alright guys, I'm entering another buy position here. The RSI has dropped back into the oversold area, signaling that sellers have pushed the market down too aggressively and are starting to lose momentum. At the same time, the price is positioned below the EMA 10, indicating an overextension to the downside and a high chance of a reversal forming. This combination creates another strong buy setup, fully aligned with our strategy. Let's see how this trade turns out. Alright guys, another clean profit. I think that's enough for today's session. If you want to learn this strategy in detail, get daily guidance, and receive 20 high-quality trading signals every single day, you can join the VIP group. Inside VIP, I guide you personally, help you understand every setup, and make sure you trade with confidence and discipline. I'll see you inside the VIP. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and trade smart.